Today we're trying new and limited time blizzards, so you don't have to. Let's get cotton candy out of the way, because I know we're probably not going to like it.
There looks to be like some pink and purple like sprinkles in here. I give that I give it a -1. I really don't like it.
Okay, at first it didn't taste too bad.
What would you rate it?
I mean, it's better than all the other cotton candies one we had.
I don't like cotton candy, period.
I think that's a 6 for me.
A 6. That's generous.
All right, this is the strawberry angel cake.
Mm.
There's supposed to be some angel cake pieces in there.
There's actual cake pieces.
I was gonna say some for me.
It's not too bad. It's actually kind of pretty good. It tastes like there's like actual strawberry. It's not like fake strawberry flavor. Actual strawberry pieces with actual cake pieces. So it's kind of pretty good.
It's all right. I give that one a 4.
I give this one a 6. The s'mores flavor. With some graham cracker. Okay, how is it s'mores? Where's the marshmallow though? Is it marshmallow ice cream?
I honestly don't know. It just says s'mores.
Hmm. It tastes artificial to me. Maybe it is marshmallow ice cream. Maybe that's what it is.
Good. I give that one an 8.
What?
It was good.
No. The marshmallow's throwing me off. I give it a 5.
It's good.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching this review. We do.
We do.
We highly recommend the strawberry shortcake and the s'mores, apparently. So go ahead and give it a try. But thank you so much for watching this video. Please stay tuned for our next one. Bye.